Hey, welcome back. We're going to be looking now at InkSpace, which has some fantastic features that you're just going to love for your teaching. Okay, if I go down the bottom of my screen down here and I go to this little pen with a swirl around it, that brings up Windows Ink Workspace. This got three main features we're going to look at: sticky notes, sketchpad, and then screen sketch. Now the first thing, pretty simple, sticky notes. It's just going to bring up a sticky note, and you can go ahead and just type on that. You can change the size of it. You can change the color of it, change priority, etc., etc. If I hit the X here, it's going to then cement it down. I can also use my pen tool itself to create a sticky note and to write on a sticky note. I can hit the plus sign here and I can just write directly on that using my pen tool. However, what you will discover is you cannot use your pen tool and type both on the same sticky note. You have to use one input or the other. Okay, so that's sticky notes in a quick summary. The next thing I'm really excited about here is Sketchpad. If you haven't opened this yet, you probably have a drawing of some like half-painted windmill. So don't worry about that. All you need to do then is go up here to the garbage can, and that'll allow you to erase all ink that's on your page. You could also come up here to the eraser and go ahead and erase all ink that's on your page. That both does the same thing. Okay. However, I'm going to start over here with the pen, and I can just use my pen tool now and write directly onto my screen. Now think about this in the classroom. You can detach your screen, you can be wirelessly to your projector, you can be wandering around the class while you're interacting both with the students and with the projector. Okay, so I've got a pen tool there and I can change different colors of my pen. I've got pencils, I've got highlighters, I've got erasers, I've got a ruler. Now you notice with the ruler, it does not have numbers on it. Yes, you can manipulate it. The only real purpose of the ruler on here is it'll allow you to draw straight lines. So it's a drawing tool. You cannot write on the ruler. I was hoping we could use it as a number line, but that apparently will not work. It also has a protractor available. Okay, the next feature at the top over here, you see the finger swipe. That's to make us touch enabled with your finger. So I'm not using my pen tool right now, just my finger. So if you are, let's say you don't have your pen tool around, you can't find it, you've lost it, whatever, it's not with you, you can still go ahead and use the finger tool on here to write on it. The next icon next to that is to remove the last item that you did, or you could replace the last item. Next, you can crop it because maybe you want to just bring attention to one part of it, or you would like to save only one section of it or copy only one section of it. Now think of this as a bit of a clipboard. I just closed mine accidentally. I can go back, there we go, voila, it saved the last thing. The trash can here clears the entire screen, and then of course there's a save feature. There's to copy it to a clipboard so you can paste it into another application such as a Word document or OneNote, and then finally if you want to share it out somehow. Okay, I'm going to go out of that now for a moment, and the last thing I'm going to go to right now is Screen Sketch. Now Screen Sketch will let you write on anything that is currently showing on your screen. So let me just show you for a second. I'm going to pull up a photograph that I have saved on my desktop. So maybe instead this would be a student who's been doing some wonderful things with some math manipulatives. Walk over, bam, bam, take a photo. Okay, now I'm going to go to Screen Sketch. My pen tools are now available to me, and I can now go ahead and annotate directly on that photograph if I want to, bring some features forward. Okay. Think about this as well, that you can then email this off to a parent. You could save it for later. You could put student comments on it. I mean, the possibilities are really quite endless. Okay, so that's how you can use, some ideas how you might use those features. Now the last thing I want to show you though really quickly is that there is also another way to access all of these features. If I go to my pen tool direct, okay, and I just click the eraser button one time, the Windows Ink Workspace choices are going to come up. If I click the back of that 2 times, it's going to automatically bring up the Sketchpad tools, so I can go ahead and draw on anything I see on my screen. And once again, maybe you find something great on the internet, you want to quickly capture that, you want to draw on it. There you go. Double click the back of your pen, bring up your pen tools, and now you are writing directly on your screen. All right, hope that helps. Good luck.